Alright, I'm today's host of Hour of Gods, and we're gonna be playing some more Valheim today. I'm a bit sick right now, so that's why I'm talking a little bit quieter and I'm all congested, so hopefully we can get some good progress today. Hopefully we can actually beat the first boss. So, yeah. Let's go. We're gonna want a flint spear, which, as you can see, we do not have the resources for. What? What happened? What? Alright, fine. Time to go get some stuff. What do we need? Alright. Let's go get some. Oh, that was one. Oh, this flint axe does way more damage. Okay, so that should be enough flint right there, but I want to get some extra so we can get the chopping block for the crafting. What is it called? Is it workbench? Oh my god. 270 hours in this game. And I can't remember what the workbench is called. Oh my god, just die. Bruh, what are you running from? Oh my god. He wasn't even aggroed! How did I not one-shot him then? Before? I don't know, this game is weird, man. Oh my god, no way I just did that. Well, there's our first deer kill. We're gonna need to kill a lot more though, so we can get the tanning rack and the deer trophies to summon the boss. What do you want? Wait a second. Okay. Always smart to hold a torch when it's dark. Because if you didn't know this, Greylings and most Grey Dwarfs will actually run away from you if you hold a torch. Oh yeah, and so will boars. But in this case, we don't want them to run away from us. So now we're gonna change up. On the way back home, we're gonna look for deer. Because we do need the deer trophies. And I would like some leather gear, so... yeah. They're not usually out in these big open plains, though. Sometimes they are. I see one right there, I think. Yeah. Oh my god. Get out of here. Oh my god. I'm just gonna chase after it. Oh, whatever. It's gotten away. You don't feel rested anymore. Of course I don't, after all that running. Nobody would. So... for future reference, I have a bow. That could have made things a lot easier. More feathers. We're gonna need those to make arrows. Ah. Rip. What? How did it see me? I was way too far for it to see me. Yet again. Too far for him to see me. Oh, dude, that's right by the house. Ah! I got it. Double kill. Alright, so now we can start making what we need. One of these. Shield? Yeah, I guess a shield would be alright. Shield. Yep. There we go. And I want to make some... oh, we're short on that. But now we have some better weapons. Some proper weapons. I'm not saying the axe isn't a proper weapon. But I like spears in this game. Now we do actually need to go hunt some more deer. But first, I want to make some arrows. Oh, yeah, the chopping block too. We used all of the wood we got for that. So, easy way to solve this problem. We'll put the chopping block right here. And now we get some better things we can make. Yeah. We're gonna make some leather pants. And some flint arrows. Oh, we're gonna need more than that. Let's just go cut down some trees. Oh no, not again. Flawless. Okay, I'm just gonna cut down this stuff. Alright. Arrows. Out of feathers. That's fine. Oh wait, there's some more feathers there. There we go. That's 100 flint head arrows. And which that means things will die. Inventory's a bit more sorted now. Let's cook some of this meat we got. Alright. I think it's about time we go hunt some more deer. We need at least 2 deer trophies to do the funny thing with the first boss. We won't get them if that keeps happening, though. No, that is not the button I meant to press. sniper. No, okay, I was about to say no way it didn't see that. That's not gonna hit. What? How did that shoot to the side more? I didn't even move that way. Does it even know where I am? What is it doing? The boar AI in this game is so weird. You have no idea how quickly you can run through a stack of arrows. Especially later on. I did not think that would hit. But I'm glad it did. Ooh! Oh my god. Please tell me it drops one. No? That was a 1 star. What do you mean? Oh! Oh! I missed. Yes! Oh my god. It didn't drop a single trophy. Ugh. Bro, I've killed a lot of deer and not a single one has dropped a trophy. Oh my god. Bro. First I found a bunch of deer. None of them dropped any trophies. Now I'm finding no deer. I'm not hearing deer, nothing. I don't even know what to do at this point. This video is probably going to be like an hour long before I find any trophies. Right there. This is the one. The chosen one. It shall drop me a trophy. Oh my god! No way! It dropped one. Bruh, the amount of time it took me just to get that one. What is that? Oh, skeletons. There's no way I can block this. Oh, yep. Not even gonna try. Oh, okay, that's not a lot of damage. This guy can probably one-shot me. But he's not gonna. And he didn't. Yes, it dropped one. Okay. Back to the house we go to prepare. We're doing this fight tonight. Actually, no, we still should prepare with some armor. That death marker is where our house is at. I really wish there was a faster way to get around in this game, but realistically, like even later in the game, not really. Even with boats, that's only between land. That's only between land masses. But with this, you just kind of have to run. Honestly, I couldn't care less about killing any more deer at this moment. Alright, we have a full suit of leather. Which means we'll be adequately protected from all of Eikthyre's attacks. We'll cook all this meat later. But we're gonna wait till daytime. Actually, we're just gonna sleep. Now, the reason why is because we get the comfort buff, and it's not gonna be cold. Here it is. Forsaken are not easy prey. True, except this one. This one is easy. Alright, let's run it. AoE attack? Oh, yep. I thought I was far enough away. Ooh. Dodge. Oh no. Whoa. Oh. That almost hit me. He's down below half. Whoa. Yeah, see, look at that. His attacks are so predictable. Nice dodge. I dodged into the altar. Oh. We did it. You've defeated the first boss. Congratulations, warrior. There's not a single human being who has trouble with that boss. And now we get the ability. Black Forest, you say? Where's the nearest Black Forest? Oh, looks like it's down there. Yeah. Well, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below if you want to see more of this game. Which I'm doing a playthrough anyways, so yeah, you're gonna get it regardless. Yeah, that was rough, getting those deer trophies. Yeah, but Eikthyre's a joke. Like, you saw I got hit with his strongest attack and it did like 2 damage. That's not just because of preparation. Even without armor, you're fine. So, yeah. That's it for this episode. Next episode, we'll be going to the Black Forest to go mine some, copper. Copper and tin. And then we're gonna want to get some, cores so we can make a furnace. Yeah, so we can start doing stuff with metal. Anyways, that is all I have for today. See ya.